How to schedule Instagram posts on the app. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Instagram application, and then on the bottom part you'll see the plus icon there. Click on that and choose the photo that you want to actually post and set a schedule on. So for example, let's say this one, you want to post that one, and then tap on next on the upper right. Click on next, and if you want to add some music, you can actually add there. But let's just go here to next. And then what you're going to do is on the bottom part or the last option, you will see advanced settings. Click on advanced settings here. And then on the upper part where you can see schedule this post, click on that, toggle that on, and then you can now schedule when you want to post that one. So let's say here today around 7 p.m. and then tap on done here and then go back and then tap on schedule on the upper right. Now, as you can see, it is currently scheduling. Just wait for it. Now tap on view, and as you can see, you have scheduled it on Wednesday, January 3 at 7 p.m. And basically, after if the time has come after 7 p.m. today, it will be automatically be posted. So you can also find it here. Go back here to your post section. And here you'll see scheduled, right? Now I have actually two scheduled Instagram post here. This one will be posted on 6:25 and this will be posted on 7 p.m. And basically that is it. After that, you will now see them here. And basically that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.